Awards that we give out today are in recognition of all the hard work that has gone in over the last year to make you all stand out as achievers in your respective categories. Our first segment of awards is the sales category. The first award is for Best Performance Prism Maturity Index, Category A, with TIV greater than or equal to 1800. The winner is Ahuja Automobiles Private Limited, Raipur. In Category B, for Best Performance Prism Maturity Index, with TIV less than 1800, the winner is Future Trucks, Kanpur. Our next award is for MDV Trucks Market Share Performance. In Category A, with market share greater than or equal to 30%, the silver goes to Shri Jagannath Motors, Rourkela. And the gold goes to Duggal Automobiles Private Limited, Bhopal. In Category B, in MDV Trucks for market share performance, with market share less than 30%, the silver award goes to Gulf Ashley Motors Limited, Gujarat. And the gold goes to Ahuja Automobiles Private Limited, Raipur. Our next award is for ICV Trucks Market Share Performance. In Category A, with market share greater than or equal to 30%, the silver goes to Sandeep Trucks Private Limited, Bhilwara. And the gold goes to Globe Auto Parts, Jalandhar. In Category B, for ICV Trucks Market Share Performance, with market share less than 30%, the silver award goes to Rajesh Motors Private Limited, Kolhapur. And the gold goes to Odedra & Co, Rajkot. Our next award is for the bus segment market share performance. In Category A, with market share greater than or equal to 40%, the silver goes to Paras Trucks, Hisar. And the gold goes to Automotive Manufacturers Private Limited, Mumbai. In Category B, in buses for market share performance, with market share less than 40%, the silver goes to TV Sundaram Iyengar and Sons Private Limited, Indore. The gold goes to Duggal Automobiles Private Limited, Bhopal. Our second segment is for service awards. Our award for Best Performance Service Quality in Category A, with PARC greater than 15,000. The winner is Shri Automotive Private Limited, Kolkata. In Category B, for Service Quality Best Performance, with PARC less than 15,000, the winner is Abhiyan Dealcom Private Limited, Kolkata. Our next award is for Best Performance Unified Service Index. In Category A, with PARC greater than 15,000, the winner is Sandeep Trucks Private Limited, Bhilwara. In Category B, for Best Performance Unified Service Index, PARC less than 15,000, the winner is Abhiyan Dealcom Private Limited, Kolkata. Our next award is for Service Market Share Performance. In Category A, with PARC greater than 15,000, the silver goes to Rajesh Motors Private Limited, Jaipur. And the gold goes to Sandeep Trucks Private Limited, Bhilwara. In Category B, for Service Market Share Performance, with PARC less than 15,000, the silver goes to Imperial Agro Private Limited, Patna. The gold goes to Dhruv Motors Private Limited, Surat. In category B, for best performance park floor adherence with sales less than 20 crores, the winner is Sandeep Trucks Private Limited, Bhilwara. Our next award is for best performance parts maturity index. In category A, with sales greater than 20 crores, the winner is Automotive Manufacturers Private Limited, Andhra Pradesh. In category B, for best performance parts maturity index with sales less than 20 crores, the winner is TV Sundaram Iyengar and Sons Private Limited, Chennai. Our next award is for parts business performance. In category A, with sales greater than 20 crores, the silver goes to Automotive Manufacturers Private Limited, Andhra Pradesh. And the gold for parts business performance, category A, sales greater than 20 crores, goes to TV Sundaram Iyengar and Sons Private Limited, Madurai. In category B, for parts business performance, sales less than 20 crores, the silver goes to Ahuja Automobiles Private Limited, Raipur. The gold for parts business performance in category B with sales less than 20 crores goes to Dhruv Motors Private Limited, Surat. Our next award is for Best Debut Dealer 2020-2021. The winner for Best Debut Dealer is Jalan Automobiles Private Limited, Sambalpur. And for the most coveted award of the year, our Dealer of the Year 2020-2021, in second runner-up, we have Ahuja Automobiles Private Limited, Raipur. Our first runner-up is Dugal Automobiles Private Limited, Bhopal. And the winner of Dealer of the Year 2020-21 is Sandeep Trucks Private Limited, Bhilwara. Congratulations to all our winners. Your trophies will be sent across to you soon.